everybody, my name is Rachel and I will be your host for today's live-in. So the weather is quite not good today, so it has been raining since past 5 hours as we know, and we know that you don't feel like going out and getting your chores done and getting your things done. You just feel like being a couch potato and chill, right? I know that you are in front of the TV and you feel like just chilling, right? So we got you covered. And you know what? Today I'm going to talk about a thing which you use every day. Yes, you heard it right. Every day of your life. So today I'm going to talk about a product that is this. Toilet roll. Yes, you heard it right. Toilet roll. You use it every day, right? Sometimes twice a day. Don't worry, we got you covered. So this toilet roll is from a company called Splash. And do you know what is different from all the toilet paper you use every day? So this toilet roll is soft as your skin. This is durable, this is non-toxic. Yes, it is eco-friendly. And the package you got with this toilet roll is also eco-friendly and non-toxic. Yes guys, and in this live today we are giving 20% discount on each toilet roll you buy. So what are you waiting for? This is the helpline. You just call and book your order now. I can see that people are already booking orders. Oh my god. Mary just told me that I have used it before. Oh yes. So the repeat rate of this product is 55%. Yes. So people, once you use it, you will have to use it again and again and again. So the best thing about this product is that it has premium quality. And I know that all of you doesn't like to go out and buy a toilet roll for 12 months, right? So we got it covered again. Yes. So if you want to buy toilet rolls in bulk for a whole year, we have a huge discount for that. Yes. So we are giving 50% discount on 12 rolls. So you are buying 12 toilet rolls on the price of just 6. So what are you waiting for? Hurry up. So this discount is open for only for 5 minutes. Yes, 5 minutes. So hurry up. This is your call number. Just call now. Pick up your call and call us right away. So and just let me know in the comment section who has already ordered these. I can see that Ross has already ordered 12 packets. Congratulations, Ross. You have earned 50% discount on 12 and we got you covered for the whole year. And I can see the comment section that someone named Emily has also brought it. Congratulations, Emily. And your time is going up. And 3, 2, 1. Congratulations for all the participants who have participated in 50% discount sale. And you know what? I have another great news for you guys. If you could not place your order in that 5 minutes, we are extending our offer for another 3 minutes only. So guys, hurry up. What are you waiting for? Don't be lazy. Don't just sleep on the couch. Just pick up the phone next to you and just call us right away. We got you covered for a year's supply of toilet roll, and that too with the premium quality. Splash toilet roll is the best you can use in this world today. I have recently gone to the supermarket and I saw a grandma, a lady in their 20s, picking up 12 toilet rolls, and I felt so bad about it. So grandma, if you are watching this live, just book your order. You just need to call into this number and just book it. What are you waiting for? So yeah, let's make this live in a little bit entertaining and let's play a question and answer round. So are you guys ready? And by the way, your 3 minutes are about to get up. So hurry up guys. Oh, so sorry, we are not going to extend it more than 3 minutes. So you only have 10 seconds left. So before we start a question answer round, just hurry up guys. And it's 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 2 and 1. Congratulations guys, I can see on my screen that, oh my god, 250 people has benefited from this 50% discount. Oh my god, congratulations everybody. And those who are unable to book their orders, I'm so sorry. We will again meet maybe in another live-in for the same toilet roll I'm talking about. So let's get back to our question answer round. So let me ask you a question. So like, I think that this is the thing that you have been using since ages, since your childhood, right? And what is the one thing that is necessary, that is the must in your toilet roll? So tell me in the comment section that what do you feel? What do you feel that it has to be a necessity in any toilet roll? So I can guarantee you that in a Splash toilet roll, you got it covered. But still, I want to know your comments. I want to know your suggestions. So just keep coming. I can see that Mindy said that it has to be soft. Yes, Mindy, it is really soft. It is skin friendly. It has no chemical. So yes, Mindy. So as I said that it is very soft. I hope this answers your question, Mindy. So I'm really sorry guys, but our time is up and we will see you again in the next live-in session. And I just want to tell you the figure that like around 550 people has booked this toilet roll from this live in, and amongst that 250 were from the 50% discount. So let's stay tuned and I will see you again tomorrow with the new product from Splash and with the huge discounts. So take care, bye bye, see you.